Here we're asked to evaluate an order of operations problem. So before we begin to solve that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write down our acronym we use for our order of operations, which is BEDMAS. So remember that B stands for brackets, E exponents, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So these are the order in which we need to do these things. So looking at my problem here, I do see that I've got some brackets, which means I've got to do this first. So let's look here first. That means the -6 isn't going anywhere. That's going to stay put. Inside those square brackets, I've got a -8 subtract a -3. Now remember, if I'm subtracting a negative, I can add a positive. So I'm going to do that. And then afterwards, this is all divided by a -2. So the next step here would be to finish simplifying my bracket here. So I've got a -8 plus 3. That's a -5 because I'm moving towards 0 by adding a positive number, divided by a -2. So now I've just got multiplication and division left here. So I'll do those left to right as I see them. So I've got a -6 times a -5. That's a positive 30. That's going to be divided by a -2. So unlike signs, we've got a positive divided by a negative. That's going to give us a negative answer. And if I split 30 into 2 equal groups, I'm going to get 15. So my answer here would be B.